Okay, I got gloves on now. Whoa. Oh shoot, Misha, look what you made me do.
Show me something natural like Afro with your pride. Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks.
Hello, beautiful people. We are back with another video. So today I'm in my kitchen because I'm going to be making flaxseed gel. So I've made flaxseed gel once before and I really struggled. If you've ever seen how to make flaxseed gel, I struggled with the whole straining part in the I tried cheesecloth, that didn't work for me. I tried a pantyhose, it popped. And then I finally had like another pantyhose and it got it. So I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna try to use a strainer. If the strainer don't work, we're just gonna pray and hope with the pantyhose. So we're just gonna hop right into this video. But first, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and then click the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And then like and comment and all that other fun stuff, yeah? Alright, let's hop into this video. Alright you guys, I'm starting off with 1 cup of water and half a cup of flax seeds. My ratio will be 1 to 1.5. And then my stove is going to go on at about medium heat. I ended up having to transfer pots because the bottom of that silver pot was burning. But right now you see me stirring the flax seeds in the water just so that they don't stick to the sides. Once your water comes to a boil, that's when the flax seeds will start to produce this mucus, and that mucus is the gel that we'll be making. So I pour out the mucus flax seeds into the strainer, and the strainer sitting over a bowl. So you'll see when I pick up the strainer just how much had drained through. And then after that, I'm making sure I get everything out the pot because I want all my gel. And after that, I'm going to sift through the seeds with a spoon just so that I can make sure that the mucus has the easiest path into the bowl. After this, I'm going to let it sit for like about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back to it. So as you can see, it's hardened up a lot, and that's something that happens with flaxseed gel. So if you're working with it while it's hot, obviously you have to be careful because it's hot. But when you let it cool down, it gets hard and stiff, and it's so much harder to work with. So you'll see in this clip while I put it in the stocking just how hard it is to work with. So for the straining process, you really just run your hands down the flaxseed gels, pushing out as much gel as you possibly can. And it gets all over your hands, guys. It's so nasty because it's literally like slime. It feels absolutely horrible. Listen, I can't. I made it worse. Okay, I got gloves on now. Whoa. Oh shoot, Misha, look what you made me do. I don't know why I didn't put gloves on before. I have a very big pet peeve with my hands being wet. And the gloves kind of made it a little bit easier for the slip of the gel to pass through my hands to the bowl. But yeah, I had to go put gloves on. That wasn't happening without gloves on. So as you can see, all of the gel is collecting like on my gloves, and I'm trying to get it off, and it's just really sticky and really hard. So from there, I have to put the seeds back into the little boil. I don't turn the stove on or anything, but I do put water back into the seeds just because water loosens up flaxseed gel. So if you're ever struggling with just the consistency of the gel, if you put a little bit of water in it, it'll loosen it up, and that's how you make the gel to your liking. So now you see me pouring the seeds back into the pantyhose. Now they're a little bit looser because I put that water in there, and here's a close-up of me straining out that gel. Just as nasty as it looks, that's how it feels. So if you are a person that has like a very easy gag reflex, or you just don't like textures like me, this might be a little bit of a struggle for you to do. So proceed with caution. At this point, my hands were hurting, the seeds were starting to harden back up, and I was over it. So this is about as much gel as I got out of 1 cup of water and half a cup of seeds. Right, and that is all of my gel. So to make my application process easier while I'm doing my hair, I got a funnel and I funneled the flaxseed gel into an applicator bottle. You can get an applicator bottle literally at any beauty supply store, maybe even at Walmart, but I have one upstairs. So I'm trying to funnel it through, and once again, it's hard, so I have to pour water into it to soften it back up, and then that made the pouring process way easier into the bottle. After I've made sure to get every little bit of my gel out for all that hard work that I did, I go ahead, close the bottle, and put it in the refrigerator. If you don't put it in the refrigerator, it will mold and go sour and go bad. So please put it in the refrigerator. It's just like having food. But thank you guys again for watching this video. Please go watch part 2 when it comes out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.